3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41到62公里。喺下晝3點，強烈熱帶風暴韋柏集結喺香港之東南偏東大約520公里，即係北緯20.6度、東經118.8度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約25公里，橫過南海東北部，移近廣東沿岸。過去幾個鐘頭，韋柏穩定地橫過南海東北部，移向珠江口一帶，並有增強跡象。隨住佢嘅強風區同外圍雨帶逐漸影響廣東沿岸地區，本港今日風勢逐漸增強，有狂風驟雨同雷暴，海有大浪同湧浪。市民應該盡快完成所有防風措施，遠離岸邊同停止水上活動。韋柏會喺聽日頗為接近珠江口一帶，預料本港風勢將會達烈風至暴風程度，有頻密狂風大驟雨同雷暴。天文台會視乎韋柏同珠江口嘅距離、佢嘅強度同本地風力變化，考慮喺聽日凌晨時分改發8號烈風或暴風信號。受風暴潮影響，沿岸低洼地區聽朝可能出現水浸，市民請密切留意天文台嘅最新天氣消息。
The strong wind signal number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 31 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 3 p.m., severe tropical storm Whipple was estimated to be about 520 kilometers east-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 20.6 degrees north, 118.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 25 kilometers per hour across the northeastern part of the South China Sea, edging closer to the coast of Guangdong. In the past few hours, Whipple moved steadily across the northeastern part of the South China Sea towards the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary and showed signs of intensification. With its associated strong winds and outer rain bands gradually affecting the coastal areas of Guangdong, local winds will strengthen gradually today. There will be squally showers with thunderstorms. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public should complete all precautionary measures as soon as possible, stay away from the shoreline, and not to engage in water sports. Whipple will edge rather close to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary tomorrow. Local winds are expected to reach gale to storm force. There will be frequent heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Depending on the distance between Whipple and the Pearl River estuary, its intensity, along the change in local wind condition, the observatory will consider issuing the gale or storm signal number 8 in the small hours tomorrow. Under the influence of storm surge, flooding may occur in low-lying coastal areas tomorrow morning. Members of the public, please pay close attention to the latest weather information from the observatory.